you guys doing? Today we have Dodge Caravan 2012. The lowest key.
I paid 2 tickets.
And I'm gonna show you how to program this key. We have a key right here. Of course it's not working. You put it in. The light will come on. You want to have it in the on position. It's not gonna start. So we choose the manufacturer first. It's Dodge. Then you choose by vehicle, Caravan. Then you choose the year, 2012. And you press and you wait. It says turn ignition on. We already have ignition on. First, we need to read the code. It will take a minute or so.
This is for me. Y ticket. Pa. Y policía, mira esto, y ticket.
What time is it? It's 1:30 at night. It's late. And we are making a video because it's quiet and working in the city. It's really loud at night. I mean, in the daytime. So I try to make a video for you guys. Come on, let's go, buddy. It says a minute. You're taking too long.
I did it, my friend.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Waiting. Oh, 1846 is our code. Then we go add a key. It says put it inside, turn it on, turn it on. Okay, insert the key, turn it on, press OK. With 18, you gotta put the code in. 18 was 46. Sometimes I forget. Let's see, and that's it. Success. The key's done under 2 minutes. It starts. Now let's check the buttons.
Hi, my friend.
There you go. The easiest key you can ever make.